Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. In this video I have for you 2 Christmas DIYs. So let's get to it. One is an ornament and one is a sign. I'm not sure how the sign is going to turn out just yet because I'm not really sure how I want to do it completely. But we'll see. So let's get started. Okay, so these are the ornaments. I got most of this stuff at Dollar Tree. And it came in a 2-pack for some reason, so I'm just going to use only one for this one and hope that this works. I saw this idea on TikTok, and I thought it looked kind of neat. So, there we go. Just put the other one over there with my scissors. Alright, so just take the little hooky part out. Get it out. Ow! Alright, you got your hooky part out. Here I got this glitter from Dollar Tree as well. This is plastic. And I got this glitter from Dollar Tree as well. I wanted to do something else, but I couldn't find that at my Dollar Tree that I wanted to put in it. It was kind of like more like a snow type. So I grabbed these instead because these are really pretty. And I kind of want to mix this kind of pink with the gold. But we'll see if this works first. Because the first thing you gotta do is I got my clear glue. And you open that up. Because in order for the glitter to stick, we gotta pour this in here. Somehow it has to get all up on the sides, though I'm not really sure how. Oops, it closed on me. Because okay, somehow it's got to get up on the sides too. Alright, so what I'm kind of going to do is I'm kind of going to do something like this and kind of roll the glue around in it. Now I got this plastic red bowl back here, mostly for the glitter. And I don't know if I can get glue all over this thing. That's the part that I really wasn't sure how to do, because I'm not really sure the glue is going all over it. Come on. Dang it. Because I can't really get it on the sides very well. Dang it, closed on me again. Ew. Great. And I got glue over my fingers. Okay. Might actually have it all over, but I'm not sure because it's hard to tell. But I'm just kind of seeing if it's going to go all over it or not. It's hard to tell. So, I can't really get it all over the sides. I'm not really sure how that works. There. Let the glue kind of do that. I turned it upside down in the bowl. Let the glue kind of, well, it's going to come out, but at least it's somewhat all over. It's a plastic bowl, so it's okay. I'm trying to see if I can get the glue to go all around. Just not really doing it. It's almost doing it. Alright. There we go. I think I actually got the glitter all around it now. For the most part. Except for this side. That's being ridiculous. Come on. Well, it's almost on it, but it's hard to get it on the sides. Anyway, I'm going to have to clean that off. And not right there. Anyway. Dang it. I don't want it on the outside. Because I have stickers going there. I'm trying to... I have no idea how this is going to look. But... Oops. I have to get into the glitter, so... I have glue all over my fingers, but this is what it is. So as I was saying, I kind of thought it would be neat to see what this yellow glitter mixed with the pink glitter would look like. So. Whoops. Not like that. You stinking thing. There we go. Alright. The gold glitter. Let's see. Oh, it's a little stuck on the top. No inside. Alright. Now, okay, so you got the glitter inside, and then you just kind of shake it around, and then the excess will come out like that, but actually it didn't come out too badly. I think that looks kind of neat. Dig? Now, I do have glitter all over my fingers, and there's glitter on this thing, and I can't have glitter on the outside because I'm getting about ready to put stickers on it. So I'm going to go and clean up just a little bit, and then I will be back to finish this up. Okay, so now it's all cleaned up. I think it looks kind of cool, actually. So now you got that, and there's still glitter everywhere, but that's okay. That's what the bowl's for. I'll get the glitter up and fix my glue. So now, I got that all cleaned up. I have these stickers here that I've had. Wow, these are Christmas stickers, as you can tell. So you could decorate the outside any way you want to, or just leave it like that. But I'm going to put some stickers on mine. Like that. Or at least one, because I think that looks good just like that, actually. And then you just put your top back on wherever it went to. There it is. And the one thing it didn't come with is actual clip hooks. But there you go. I think it looks kind of neat. I mean, I couldn't really get it all over. I tried. But it pretty much got it all over. I just thought it was a cool idea. I saw it on TikTok. I'm like, oh, that's interesting. Of course, it does involve glitter, and that gets everywhere. However, that's one. Now, move all this out of the way. This is the second one. I have this sign here. Here, let me just get rid of this thing. I also got this at Dollar Tree. I got just about everything here on this table at Dollar Tree. So, little glitter I got at Dollar Tree. These I got at Walmart, the stickers. But, anyway, here's the sign. Now, this is where I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do. Because this is what I'm not the best at. But, I got these at Dollar Tree. Can't remember how I opened it, but I did get one out. Oh. Well. Like that. So. I'm just going to grab a few. Probably add some stickers. Let's see. You can just do this any way you want to. See, I got a little wooden sign here. And, I think I'm just kind of gonna do some form of a tree here. And get this stuff out. Oops. Okay. It'll come out. Alright. A little star thing on top. Kind of, sort of. Alright. Just a little quick sign. You can do it however you want. I just had this left over and thought, why not? Alright. I tried, but I think the gold could have come out a little bit better. Oops. There. Not that very easy to write in glitter. But yeah. Just a simple sign like that. And then I do have some stickers here. That we could put on here as well. Just deciding if I want to put, ooh. Okay. And then right in the middle, I think I'll put that. And there you go. This is just a simple sign that I just came up with top of my head. Yeah, the glitter writing could have been a little better, but that's glitter. It's glitter glue, but it's not too bad. But I think it came out pretty well. So there you are. Alright, so those are my two DIY I have for this Christmas. It actually came out not too badly. But yeah, just a simple sign. Like I said, I got just about all this stuff from Dollar Tree. So, yeah, it's just a little fun thing to do. So there you have it. So I hope you enjoyed this DIY, and if you did, please like, subscribe, comment, don't forget to click that little bell icon so you know when the next video is coming out. And as always, all of our social media will be linked in the description box below. And thank you for watching.